Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Flying Bee. So before we start this video, please like and subscribe. Today we are making sausages. Oh, this thing is
Okay, let it be there.
that.
Okay, this is for fry and this is for masala. Okay, and we have all these spices here. Okay, let's see. And in addition to this, we are going to add some chili powder and some garam masala. Okay, thank you. This is enough.
Yeah, just much small we are going to do. So we are for the sliced sausages for here.
What else?
And just vinegar.
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 Where is the vinegar? Puta? Oh yeah, it's here.
Only little. Okay. Now you have to mix it with your finger.
Okay.
Mix it with your finger.
You want to add any garam masala?
No need.
Sure.
Just these two. And now mix it with your finger. We have to. Otherwise, you can add more vinegar.
Now we'll add water.
Oh, you can also add water.
Okay. So we are not going to add salt, right? Because there is salt in the sausage.
Yeah. So we are going to put the sausages in the things we mixed. Like we added so much water, so to make it watery and everything.
Not so much water, little bit.
Little
And just
bit.
we are going to mix it, and then we are going to fry it. That's it, right?
Yeah, that's all. Literally like a easy recipe.
Okay, this is a recipe Eliora's grandmother
Makes
taught.
mummy.
Mummy gi.
Mummy
Yeah,
करता.
mummy करता gi.
Wait, mummy करता है ये मुस्तो बेरे ऐसा mama.
होएगी.
Wait.
Okay.
Right.
Again, off. See. Not like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mix it properly. Okay. Do you need to, after marination, do you need to keep it for some time or no need?
No need. We don't need to put marination. You can also put it to marinate. You can also leave it to wait. You can also wait to leave it.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, now in a pan we have taken some oil.
And we are already heated the pan.
Okay.
So we are putting this, all sausages. It's really so small when you put it. I need it.
Oh my God.
Sorry, Dada, but you have to do it with your bare hands.
Yeah,
Mommy.
we are doing a bare hand. Okay, something.
So we already kept the sausages.
In a low flame, okay?
Yeah.
Oh, it smells good, huh? Okay.
Now we're going to flip it.
Okay.
See?
Yeah.
Smells so good. Yeah.
It's already done, Munsan.
It's already done and fried.
Okay.
I hope it's so good. It's already done and fried and it's going to be so good. I love this recipe so much.
Is it? Okay.
It's my grandmother's recipe.
It's time to taste now.
Okay.
Should come this area. Yeah, now we have to heat the pan, add some oil, add some ginger garlic. Okay.
Start.
Middle, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, now we are going to add some, what is this?
Chili and onions.
Onions.
Start.
Okay, add some little salt, okay?
Pinch.
Pinch of salt. Okay,
I think that's a quarter hand of salt.
not quarter hand, what quarter hand? Okay, you should not put more because sausage already has this, what do you say?
Salt.
Salt. Okay. We are going with dosa also here.
Yeah.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay.
Start.
Okay, now I'm adding tomato for this one.
Start.
Some chili powder, okay?
Chili powder, yeah.
Yes, that's it.
Start.
Little bit of garam masala powder, very little, pinch, okay?
Start.
Just stir it for 1 minute only, not too much, okay? Okay, and after that we are going to...
Sausage, we are going to add. Ooh. I love sausages.
So this is a quick recipe for anyone who wants to do a fast cooking, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so
I
today,
can just go in a hurry buddy.
yes, because today we came very late. We had to do shopping for our...
We went to Aloti Mall, yeah.
Okay,
Aloti Mall is the best.
is it?
Yes. But sadly I did not go to play.
Oh no, because we had no time, you know.
Yeah. It was like past 9 o'clock. It's like already 9 o'clock. It was already our dinner time. By the way, our dinner time is like at 8 o'clock. Because
Okay, just let it become a bit hot, and then we are done.
so let's try dosa.
Okay.
Yeah, I can just put it here. Let's try. Let's try this.
Try your grandmother's recipe. Huh? Okay, how's it?
Good.
Say thank you to your grandmother.
Thank you, Mommy.
Okay.
Let's try
Try your sausage.
fry.
Yeah, fry.
Very good. I like it.
Okay, eat one sausage from here.
Oof, very hot.
Okay, mix it to the rice and eat together. Okay, so today
Also.
also. Okay. Okay then, guys.
Eat healthy, stay safe, live long. Bye.
And also, if you try this recipe, if you like it, share it with others. Let us know your opinion in our comments box. Thank you very much for watching us.
Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Bye.
Bye.